I'm Laurel Guy, and we're visiting 24 Renwick Heights Road. This is a true classic, meaning that it is completely modern, ageless, timeless style. Incredible light in a storybook neighborhood where you can walk everywhere. This home is pristine with so many recent upgrades, both outside and in, and it is filled with light. You'll love the living room, high ceilings, built-ins, fireplace, and the French doors open to an all-season sunroom. It's gorgeous, windows all around. I like the layout, and I think you will too. It has good flow. The eat-in kitchen has been recently updated. It has a clean, modern look with quartz counters. And the breakfast nook opens to a large deck that's just perfect for gatherings, and you'll never tire of that view. Upstairs, there is a beautiful second floor landing. Check out the window seat. Of course, it has a view. The primary bedroom connects with the office, and it opens to the second floor deck, a very sweet spot for your morning coffee. And it's in a great location. You can walk to Stewart Park, walk to Cornell. This very special home is where you can begin your new chapter. 24 Renwick Heights Road.